Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to inform you that the last date to fill this application form is 31st July. So that is today. So we all know that the situation is not so pleasant and less number of vacancies are coming. So we can't waste our time and we can't wait for it that the number of huge vacancies will come, then we will fill the form. So let's start the session. First of all, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, they have published a notification on 16/6/2020 and they gave almost 1 month above time to fill the form. So today is the last date of this application. So now we are seeing that the number of vacancies is too less because they have given only 2 vacancies for general category in general stream and 1 vacancies in OBC in general stream. So total in general stream they have given only 3 vacancies and in legal stream they have given only 2 vacancies. For general stream, the education qualification they have mentioned master degree in any discipline, bachelor degree in law, bachelor degree in engineering and CSCF, CS, CWA, and for legal, bachelor degree in law from any recognized university. So next is mode of selection. Mode of selection will consist of 2 stages, that is phase 1 and phase 2. In phase 1, only 1 online examination and phase 2, only GD and interview. In phase 1, for general stream, they only given English language, reasoning, general awareness, computer awareness and quantitative aptitude. And for legal stream, the syllabus is quite same, but their descriptive part is extra added for the legal guys. And there is also a professional knowledge part for legal candidate also. I will upload the PDF in description, so please guys check the description box. And one thing they have mentioned that the marks obtained in phase 1 that will be allotted a weightage of 80%, while the marks obtained in phase 2 that will be allotted to a weightage of 20%. So this is quite important because of you have to know that you have to get a huge marks, you have to get a most marks in phase 1. They are checking their pay and allowance. So we can see that the total CTC consists of pay benefit of this post of officer grade A for the beginner scale is 16 lakh per annum. So 16 lakh per annum, this is quite a handsome salary. So hurry up guys. So guys, if you love the video, please subscribe the channel to get new video notification. See you soon with a new topic. And this is for today. So bye bye.